So we're here getting ready to do ball joints on the 4Runner, and this happens. If you look inside there, you can see inside the casting, there's a little piece broken off. This vintage of car, specifically Toyota, Lexus, and Scion, use these Megard wheel locks. There's a model number on here. It's actually the patent number. This will not get you the exact wheel lock you need to replace it. If you look inside your owner's manual, your car should have come with a card that has that actual lock ID on there so that you can go to Toyota or Megard themselves and get that replaced. Now, if your car is 25 years old and you don't have that owner's manual anymore, it's going to be a little trickier. If it's like this and the casting is only partially broken, what you're going to do is stop right there. Do not try to keep using this wheel lock on there. If you take this key down to Toyota, they can use it on their master set and get you a replacement. So they'll find out which one exactly you have and get you one to swap out. If it is all broken off on there, there's another thing you can still do. You can call Megard directly and send them a photo of the inside of your wheel lock key, and they can match it up from there and send you a replacement. Now, today is Sunday afternoon, so there is no Megard, there is no Toyota I can go to get this. So what you're gonna do is get yourself a 12-point 19mm socket. A 3/4 will work as well. And you're going to lay that right on top of your wheel lock. It's going to be just tight on there, so you're going to grab a hammer and secure that there. And since we can no longer use our 21, we're going to get just a breaker bar. This one's got a 3/8 inch drive. If you have a 1/2 inch drive 19, that's even better. But from there, we can break that free. So once this is out, you can take this over to the bench, hammer that wheel lock off, and bring it with you to Toyota in case this is broken. But in the short term, this will get you by.